This is food for thought, not the opinion of this channel. You make your own decisions. You need to know the truth. Bonker's new study claims alien DNA found inside humans. It was inserted into our genes. Is it the invasion of the genome snatchers? Just in case the idea of aliens walking around in human skin suits wasn't frightening enough. An outlandish study asserts that aliens might have abducted us and inserted genes into human DNA, with the fallout affecting potentially millions of people. Humanity may be undergoing genetic transformation, led researcher Dr. Max Rempel, the founder and CEO of the DNA Resonance Research Foundation, told the Daily Mail of the study, which has yet to be peer-reviewed. Rempel came to this far-fetched seeming conclusion by analyzing DNA from both regular people and those who have claimed to have been abducted by aliens. This comes following a spike in UFO sightings over the last year, making many fear that we are on the verge of some not-so-friendly, close encounters. The scientists specifically analyzed 581 complete families from the 1000 Genomes Project, discovering large sequences of DNA in 11 families that didn't appear to correspond to either family. These genetic aberrations entailed a bundle of 348 non-parental genetic variants. As the subjects were born before 1990, this ruled out human gene editing technologies like CRISPR, which only emerged in 2013. Rempel also analyzed 23andMe results from individuals who self-identify as alien abductees, discovering that some families showed evidence of non-parental markers. If this evidence is confirmed to be true, the alien prober feels that it could be possible to detect which humans carry alien DNA, essentially identifying hybrids. In other words, like the premises of every sci-fi flick from Invasion of the Body Snatchers to They Live, the aliens are already walking amongst us, camouflaged our genes, per his theory. The extraterrestrial enthusiast even noted that a good portion of those with autism, ADHD, and Asperger's, and other neurodivergent traits could contain these alien insertions, although he noted this is speculation at this point. He even suggested that these extraterrestrial genetic modifications could bestow humans with unusual abilities like telepathy, much like Ellen Ripley's psychic abilities in the sci-fi sequel Alien Resurrection. Of course, there are some caveats to this out-there study. Rempel, who holds a PhD from the Institute of Gene Biology in Moscow, Russia, noted that there is no conclusive evidence yet, as they need better data sets, which are available only on approval. That takes time and effort, said the scientist, who added that current commercial genotyping services, which rely on array-based data, aren't precise enough to support such radical claims. Instead, he advocates for next-generation sequencing, NGS, or whole genome sequencing, WGS, which can detect novel variants with much higher resolution. Rempel's hope is to use high-resolution or next-generation sequencing, which can pick up novel variants at a higher resolution, to analyze parents and children who identify as alien abductees and hopefully pinpoint where aliens infiltrated the DNA strand. Not to mention that the researchers' theory is in the same wheelhouse as the most fringe alien hybrid hypotheses floated by tinfoil hat conspiracists, such as the NASA mummies, which reportedly harbor both human and alien DNA. Nigel Watson, author of Portraits of Alien Encounters Revisited, urged caution due to the sample size and the challenge of studying those with anecdotal evidence of alien abductions. Alien abduction experiences can stem from a variety of terrestrial factors, he said. We need to carefully verify these accounts before drawing conclusions about DNA. Nonetheless, Watson believes that further genetic research on volunteer abductees is needed and could potentially prove as world-shattering as recovering a flying saucer. In the interim, Rempel believes that possible alien hybridization could have major implications for the future of humanity. We need to consider how much alien hybridization is healthy for the planet, and which alien races we might give priority, he said. Alien abduction experiences can stem from a variety of terrestrial factors, he said. We need to carefully verify these accounts before drawing conclusions about DNA. Nonetheless, Watson believes that further genetic research on volunteer abductees is needed and could potentially prove as world-shattering as recovering a flying saucer. In the interim, Rempel believes that possible alien hybridization could have major implications for the future of humanity. We need to consider how much alien hybridization is healthy for the planet and which alien races we might give priority, he said. Thanks for watching. Stay informed by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Stay tuned for more of You Need to Know the Truth.